people's car people don't want.
The people's car the people don't want.
I think people love the way they look. I think there's a lot. Everyone loves these things. They're just too expensive.
It's just going to be more expensive with the batteries in there, and it's made in Germany, imported here, so it has to deal with tariffs, not being built here. Which is interesting because Volkswagen has a pretty significant manufacturing foothold here in the U.S.
In Chattanooga, yeah.
Mm-hmm. They make the
Passat. I know they make
the
Passat
ID4.
here.
They also build here. The ID4 is like
the same thing as this.
It's like the third most American vehicle.
Really?
As far as like parts and people that actually put it together, it's right up there next to Tesla.
And the Accord?
The ID Buzz is being discontinued for 2026.
Is discontinued?
It's discontinued in the U.S. and Canada. It'll continue to be sold in Europe, but they're pulling it for the U.S. and Canadian market because the sales have not been good.
Oh, you know what? I bet they have some really aggressive lease deals.
Oh, yeah.
When the e-Golf got canceled, famously, Jason Camisa got in on a lease for an e-Golf that after all the rebates that they send back and he put like a couple $1,000s down, he was paying
$50 a month or something like that.
Yeah, but if you factor in the fuel savings he was actually making money.
That's crazy.
Versus what he would have been paying for anything else. So yeah, he was like $50 or something a month. And then it would have been a negative number if you account for the cost savings in gas alone.
Yeah.
Let alone maintenance and all that. And he's had that car for like 7 years.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. So he had he's on his second e-Golf because he got 2 of them. This is like a car guy of car guys, right? And his daily is an electric car.
That's funny.
But anyway, so yeah, I bet Volkswagen offers some crazy lease deals on these.
How silly would you feel if you bought one of these when they first hit the lots? Like the first month where they only had a handful and people were paying like $10,000 over sticker or whatever.
Yeah, especially if you could probably get into lease for this for like, I bet they do them for like under $200
a month
with a couple thousand down, which equivalent like makes it so like it's $300 a month, and to get a $60,000 car for $300 a month.
I think leasing's a terrible idea financially,
Absolutely.
But at a certain point, like
when it gets to be so inexpensive, and then at the end of it, you just give the car back and you don't have to deal with all of the depreciation.
When it's less than what you pay in gas, then maybe it starts to make sense.
Right.
So, yeah, they do plan to bring it back. There was initial confusion over like, oh, they're canceling it. They're not canceling it. Volkswagen came out with an official statement. They're saying we're not canceling it. It's on a hiatus. We're going to bring it back supposedly in 2027 after, quote, revisions, unquote. So we don't know if that's a pricing strategy, a drivetrain strategy change, but they're just not seeing the numbers that they wanted.
Yeah. And what's funny is they made this thing so quick. And
Is that sarcasm?
No, it's surprisingly quick.
Oh, like the 0 to 60.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, because they've been working on this thing for like 15 years or something.
Oh, no, yeah, the 0 to 60 time, it is really quick. And it's such a thing, it's how to just completely miss the mark.
It's the same thing with that Jeep we talked about last time.
Yeah.
A 670 horsepower...
640
horsepower Jeep that can do 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Like, is that why it's $70,000?
Yeah, that's...
Because I'd take a 7-second Jeep with 300 horsepower or 350 horsepower for half that. Yeah.
$20,000, $30,000 less. Yeah. Yeah. Like, way to completely miss the mark. No one that has ever been in any generation of Volkswagen van has been concerned with how fast it gets to 60 miles an hour. Most Volkswagen vans ever made, most of them have never been able to even reach 60.
Haven't seen 60 miles an hour.
They've never seen it. Maybe falling out of a plane.
Modern consumers are used to a certain level of acceleration that would not be acceptable. Like,
correct. But
they
you
wouldn't
don't
accept
need
something
a
that was
4-second minivan.
Yeah.
If it was a 6 or 7-second minivan, people would still be happy with how quickly the response was.
My minivan feels fast, and it's like 7.5 seconds or something.
Yeah. But just with the electric response, people will feel like it's faster than it is.
Yeah. Hopefully they bring it back after they reduce the price a little bit, but for now, it's just too expensive. People aren't buying it.